So this is a tour of the current area where I live, Muwailih commercial, the new area it's called because there's two parts, one the old one and this is the new one. On the left hand side you're seeing a city centre Al Zahia, which is a new mall, supposed to open this year but it's been delayed because of the COVID-19 situation. It's quite funny because it's actually 15 minutes drive away from city centre Mirdif, which is down the road on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, but that's in Dubai and obviously this is in Sharjah. So this is just off the main road, and this is the mosque where I used to pray Jummah, which is Friday prayer at first. And that's a picture that I took of the mosque when it was a cloudy day with the rainbow. I don't know if you can see it in the second picture actually. So yeah, mosque has been closed obviously because of the coronavirus situation, and I do have a lot of memories there because when I first moved to Sharjah I actually didn't know the timing of Jummah, and I actually missed it the first week that I moved here. I got ready and I was waiting for the call to prayer at my local mosque, which is a small local one, and it's not like Dubai where I think almost all mosques offer the Friday prayer. In Sharjah it's slightly different. The local mosques are closed and it's the bigger mosques which are open for Friday prayer. So this is where I first used to come to pray my Jummah, which is Friday prayer. The timing is slightly different compared to Dubai. So once or twice I got here really late. Car park is fairly empty now. Obviously the mosque is not open for us to use. All of this is usually full. So as you can see, the spaces on the right and the left. So anywhere over here is usually fine. And mashallah, the mosque itself is always busy on Friday, even during the day actually. Normally it's quite busy, especially on Friday. All of this parking space is taken up. Nice to park around here somewhere. So as you can see, I'm just swinging it in just so that you can actually see the courtyard itself. Sometimes I'd pray just here outside next to this fountain thing in the heat. Actually it's not always possible to find somewhere shaded, you see, that's why. Other times I just park over here quickly whilst it's starting. Like I said, the first few times I couldn't get my timing right and I used to come here late. So yeah, Muwailih commercial, to be honest with you, it's a really nice area. It's got everything you need close by. And I mean literally close by. There's sometimes, you know, I've had to go out to look for certain things, pharmacy, food even. There's a lot of variety of stuff like that here. This is a place where I eat quite often on the wood. I think you've got truck burger somewhere over here as well. It's just a variety of different types of foods. As you can see on the left, I think that's going to be a hospital perhaps, because there's no big hospital in this area. So as you can see on the right hand side, most of it's takeaways. And all you have to do is just park up next to them. As you can see, these guys are here ready to take the order. You don't even have to get out of the car. It's one thing that I really love about the service out here. And this is my local subway. Can't be a subway, right? And I'm going to just show you one or two places behind, because we were supposed to move here. I saw a few places and we didn't in the end. I can't remember why not, but we didn't move here in the end. I just remember coming to this car park, parking up here, having a look around. And to be honest with you, it's quite a trendy area as well. I'm going to show you the next part, the bit where I actually live. It's got lots of cool kind of shops, should I say. Loads of different eating places, flower shops. What else have you got? You've got pharmacies, enough pharmacies there. Loads of little cafeterias. Loads of places to have coffee, actually, if you like that kind of stuff. If you like to sit down and have coffee, these are the places where I'm going to show you in a short while that are good.